Wow, it's hot in here. Wait, I got an idea. Let's build an air conditioner. First, you'll need one small fan. And you'll need one styrofoam cooler. You'll need a bag of ice. And you'll need some PVC pipe. Also gonna need a PVC cutter. I've cut a hole in the top of the cooler where I want the fan to go. Now cut the PVC pipe in 3 equal parts.
Come on. You can do it.
Place the PVC pipe in the holes of your air conditioner. When you're done, this is how it should look. Open the bag of ice and place it in the cooler. Place the top on top of the cooler. Now it's not hot because I have my homemade air conditioner.